2025 Honda Forza 350 scooter has arrived, and it's quickly making waves in the world of mid-range scooters. Combining style, practicality, and advanced technology, the Forza 350 is designed for urban commuters who want more than just a basic scooter. With its larger engine, refined features, and sleek design, the 2025 model is set to redefine what a scooter can offer. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on weekend getaways, the Forza 350 promises to deliver both comfort and performance in spades. Design and styling. The design of the 2025 Honda Forza 350 stands out in the crowded scooter market with its elegant yet aggressive styling. Featuring a sleek, aerodynamic body, the Forza 350 has a modern, sharp look that immediately catches the eye. The front end is characterized by its smooth lines and an LED headlamp that provides excellent visibility while adding to the bike's futuristic appearance. The body is compact but not cramped, offering both comfort and storage. Honda has also focused on providing a balanced design with plenty of practical features, including a large under-seat storage compartment and an adjustable windscreen to shield the rider from wind and debris. Available in a variety of premium color options, the Forza 350 offers both style and functionality for those looking to stand out. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda Forza 350 is powered by a 329 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine that delivers a smooth and efficient ride. Capable of producing around 29 horsepower, the Forza 350 provides plenty of power for city commuting and longer rides alike. The engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, allowing for seamless acceleration and smooth gear transitions. Whether you're navigating through busy city streets or cruising on open highways, the Forza 350's engine offers a refined, responsive performance that will satisfy both new riders and experienced scooter enthusiasts. The scooter's fuel efficiency ensures that long-distance travel won't break the bank, making it a great option for daily use and weekend adventures. Technology and features. The 2025 Forza 350 comes equipped with a suite of modern technologies that elevate the riding experience. One of the standout features is the full-color TFT display, providing essential information such as speed, fuel level, trip data, and more, all at a glance. Honda has also integrated smartphone connectivity, allowing riders to link their phones to the bike for navigation and music control. The scooter features Honda's Smart Key system, which allows you to start the engine and unlock the storage with just the key fob in your pocket or bag. Safety features like ABS, anti-lock braking system, and traction control are included as standard, ensuring stable braking performance and improved safety in all riding conditions. Comfort and handling. Comfort and handling are key elements of the Forza 350's appeal. The ergonomics of